Have you thought about augmented reality, AR? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And of course, the answer is you have thought about it. You have thought about it when you were at this one trade show where you got your augmented reality, virtual reality, which is a difference, I know, glasses on, and you had this whole wild world in front of you. Well, it was only simulated in front of you. So you may have thought about it, but have you thought beyond this, wow, what a cool thing that is, into what can I do to implement an augmented reality approach to my business? I read the other day an article about retail industry and how augmented reality is likely to shape the retail industry in the next couple of years. The corona pandemic may have a part of it, where people do less shopping and like to see the comfort inside their own home to figure out what they want to do. Can you imagine seeing an augmented reality of your living room with the new sofa in? Or pick whatever item it is on your purchase list. But on the side of a business, how can you use augmented reality to make a customer call more useful, more meaningful? Have you thought about using an augmented reality world where a service tech can look into technology fixing solutions on site somewhere thousands of kilometers or miles away, where there is no need to travel? And on top of that, there is a just-in-time situation where problems can be fixed in more real time than ever before. I believe the studies speak a clear language. 5 years from now, augmented reality is the reality, much more than it is right now. What have you done to make your company ready for AR?